What's up, fragrance community? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be cool, especially if you saw the title. It's a new fragrance that I guess it just came out. I've heard a lot about it for the last several months. I went to Nordstrom. One of the people that worked there hits me up every now and then to make new fragrances come out, so I'm very blessed with that. I can't give their name out just because they're not really allowed to. I can't put it on my video for privacy purposes. But anyway, it's Dolce Gabbana Grey. This is the little sample decan they gave me. You can pick up the big bottle for $88, 3.4 ounce, and they have a 1.7 ounce for about $67 to $70. All they had available was the 88, 3.4 ounce, and I didn't want to buy it right away. They said, hey, you want a sample? You can just have it. So they gave me a sample of it. So I'm going to break down the notes in this fragrance here. Give me 1 second. It is grapefruit, ambergris, woody notes, green cardamom, vetiver, and tobacco. So initially when I spray this fragrance, I get mainly first initial blast. I get the vetiver in it, just off the initial blast, and I get a little bit of the grapefruit in the background. But that's pretty much it right now, just from the initial spray. The very initial spray is really a very fresh kind of clean fragrance, but you do get the vetiver in it right now off the tap. That's what I get so far. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to cut to the next scene where I'm going to have Dolce Gabbana Grey versus Dolce Gabbana EDP, the one, and let my girlfriend see which one she likes more or less. So please stay tuned. So we have Dolce Gabbana, the one, EDP versus Dolce Gabbana Grey. We're going to test them out and see which one she likes. I'm going to do a video comparison video after a couple of days of testing them both out, longevity and projection wise. But I do have a video on this projection already, so you can check that out below if you guys want to know about this. But here we go. I'm going to initial spray it again on my hand so she can get a whiff of and see if she likes it. I'll break down notes again so she knows what they might be. So let her spray it here. The notes that are in this fragrance are grapefruit, ambergris, woody notes, green cardamom, lavender, vetiver, and tobacco. Let's see what she gets out of this fragrance.
I can definitely smell the grapefruit. It's like a nice sweet smell, but it's not like overly sweet like any of like the honey ones.
Okay. Could you see a guy wearing this going on a first date with a girl, or a guy just going to work? What would you see this could be for?
I think it's a good work fragrance because it's not super strong, or like it's very like even keeled. Like it's not it couldn't be like offensive or
okay, anything. So it's not too strong.
It's just like a nice smell. Okay. Like I think it's really nice.
Now I'm going to spray Dolce Gabbana the one EDP, see if she likes this one or she doesn't, but we'll see how she thinks.
It's like, I think I like this one. I know I've smelled it before. Yeah, that one's really nice.
Okay.
I would think that one's more of a date fragrance.
Date fragrance? Okay. Dolce Gabbana, the one EDP. And this one be more, she said, more of like what, going to work kind of thing, or casual?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like, I don't think it has to be limited to that, but, okay. Yeah.
Now here, guys, I have two cards, about 45 minutes of the dry down on here, so she can tell you which one she might, if smell the same or they don't smell good or she doesn't like it. So let's see what she thinks about the new one. Dolce Gabbana Grey. Smell about the same, differently?
It smells different.
Okay.
I'm not getting as much of like the grapefruit.
Okay. You get the vetiver or the woody notes or cardamom? What do you get?
I would say cardamom.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe vetiver. I'm not like 100% sure what that smells like.
It's a first test. We're just testing for the first time, guys. I got to run more tests with it, but you just give her a first opinion, see if she likes it.
It smells different. It definitely smells different in the dry down. I like them both.
Okay.
I do.
Let's try this one and see if you like the dry down for that. That's like 45 minutes. So they're both about 45 minutes, guys, of the dry down.
This one I feel like smells mainly the same.
Okay, same as the opening. Okay.
Which I think it's great.
It's good too. Okay, so didn't change much with the Dolce Gabbana, the one EDP, but she does like both of them. So if a person's trying to buy with them, it can't go wrong buying either one, you would say, right?
I don't think so. No, they're both very good.
Okay.
They're very nice.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to have a updated video after performance and projection and compliment factor soon. Another video with her, and hopefully I can get a couple other ladies in it. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like videos like this, Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share the video. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.
Bye.